Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Ron and I'm here to show you what's in my bag. So, on my last what's in my bag video, so the bag that I was using there is already not in my possession. It's gone. So, I'm trying to minimize my bag, that's why. So, I had it replaced with a bigger bag, more spacious one, so that I can put more of my work related things there. So just an update, I'm already back in my room, and I also went back to work this Thursday. So yeah, it's good. So I have to catch up on so many paperwork. That's why some of my things are not with me. It's downstairs because I need the bigger space for for finishing up my paperwork. So anyway, here's my bag. It's a replica of Gucci, I think, yeah. And I bought this at a store in Hong Kong. I forgot how much. It's just I bought it there, and yeah, it's color black with the red and green stripes here. Um, then there's a pocket here. Then bag tag, sanitizer. Then there's a zippered pocket, and there's what do you call it? There's outer compartments. Okay, so you have this. These outer compartments are can be closed by using the magnetic lock here. So you have two. So I used to put my class records here, but my class record is downstairs together with my lesson plans. So there's another one where it can be closed using the zipper. So let's start with the one outside. So you might be thinking, why is it that it's empty? Because I'm just organizing it now. So usually this front pocket, oh okay, my bag tag says this bag is owned by a teacher. Okay. So my hand sanitizer says Fighting Maroons. Yeah. So here I have oil control sheet. And sometimes I put my hair clip, and that's all I put there in the front. Okay. On the zippered compartment, I put there my there. I always bring this tea at work. Sometimes when I'm in the mood, I drink tea, and this coffee and this juice. You might wonder why I found it in my bag, so I'm thinking of it. And I have my medicine, Alaxan, there. And then, of course, I have my notebook. Put it here inside the zippered compartment, and my wallet. And this is a wallet. My umbrella, my pink umbrella. My glass case. My what else? Okay, this keychain can be put here outside. Easy access. Okay, so that's some of the things. Okay, so I'll show you now some of my things I haven't put inside. It's still messy. Oh, they can there. So messy. Okay, so I have here my makeup bag. So I'm trying to organize it, but anyway. So this one is my makeup bag. Karanina. It looks like a pencil case. It was just a gift. So I have a Lightning McQueen keychain given to me by my student. And usually I just put here my Human Nature pressed powder in Island Shell. But I think the shape. This is the second. This is the first refill, so I have different one. So the seller gave me a different shade, but anyway, it suits me, so it's just okay. So have Caroline and Rosy Cheek. Oh shoot, spilled again. So Wish, Cheek and Lip Tint. So I have to put a tissue so that it won't spill on my bag. Then just put it here. Then Human Nature Tinted Lip Balm. Nishido Retractable Eyeliner in Black. Sophie Martin. Oh, Fantastic Red. And roll on of my favorite cologne from Snowy. It's called what do you call it? Nectarine something. So yeah, I think that's all that I have to put inside. So that's my my lip pencil from Ever Banana. It's red. So yeah, put it there. Then and this one is for my toiletries. So what do I put in my toiletries? So put my alcohol, my medicine for my throat, my toothpaste, my toothbrush, my wet wipes, my tissue. Oops. Okay, let me just put it here properly. My panty liner. Okay, no, I need it. Panty liner and my Swiss knife. Might be wondering why. I also don't know. From there, I just close it and put it inside my bag. Then I have my and my ID, and let's just put it here. Here in the open compartment. And I have my black pen, red pen, pencil, and a flash drive. So just put it on in the zippered compartment inside. So that's it. So the remaining things are the crap I found inside my bag. So nursery rhymes. So I just put them outside so I can give it back to my co-teacher. Coin purse. Yeah, so this just found money. There. 20 pesos. Put it inside my wallet. So convenient to have a wallet like this. Like you can see the bills already. And there. Then else. My fan. It's oops. If Loris. Okay. And just put it inside. And then okay. My two phones. So both Nokia. So I'll not put them inside, but usually they're inside. But I'll not put them inside because I'll use it my comb. Ow. It's there. And a headband that I found inside my bag. So I will not put it there anymore because I don't really use it. And then because I have so many. Okay, let me just. Because I had so many things to bring for school, I had to bring another bag. So I have bag from video. Looks like this, mustard yellow pocket. on front, and this pocket for, I don't know, phone, I think. Then all of my books are downstairs. All of my paperworks are downstairs. So the only thing that's left here is my gift for my students. So trivia, I gave all of my students present when they had their birthday party at school. So yeah. So yeah, I think that's it. And yeah, thank you for helping me organize my, for, no, not helping me, but sticking with me throughout my organizing uh spree. So here's my bag now. There. Yeah, satisfied. And yeah, have any more updates. So if you have any questions, any requests, just don't hesitate to comment below. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like this video if you want. And yeah, it's already evening and I'm going to sleep now. So I don't have anything on as usual. So see you in my next video. If you want to, as I have said, if you want anything, just comment it down there. Don't hesitate, and I'll try to answer your questions if it's relevant. So if you have any requests or questions, just put it there in the comment box. So I will see you on my next video. Bye.